sami ngazibini ngokuba nathi apha e-SABC lihaye amalungu ebandla ekhaya labafundi bakaJehova kwiphondo laKwaZulu-Natal ashiye imfundo ayeka imisebenzi bambi bayeka nokusebenzisa amachiza okunyanga isifo sikagawulayo i-ARVs. Kunjalo nje abanye babo ke bafunde bayityekeza imfundo baba nezidanga. Uthi ke umfundisi weli bandla uVusimuzi Sibiya konke kuyokusonjululwa kukubambelela nje elukholweni olungagongqiyo kwaye ke abantwana baya kuzuza imfundo ebandleni. Okudade lenzulwini ngawo lo mbambukeli simeme yena kaloku uSemlanga ongumphandi kwiziko le-African Hidden Voices. Kananjalo ke mbukeli naye uRev Mosenhle yena ke usuka pha kwi-Evangelic Alliance of South Africa. Mandiqale nje ukubulise Rev Mos, ndikubulise apha e-SABC lihaye.
Ndiyabulela sisi kakhulu ndivuya ukuba nawe namhlanje.
Semlanga masikubulise nawe sikwamkele e-SABC lihaye.
Mangibulise njalo Kolose, ngiphinde ngibulise nababukeli ekhaya.
Enkosi kakhulu. Rev, amanye ke amalunga lenkonzo afundile kwaye ke sikwabona ke phofu nabanye ke bazishiye phakathi izifundo zabo. Ingaba mhlawumbe sekwekutheni abantu bade bafikelele kukholo lungaka?
Let me put it ngesingesi ngoba isiXhosa sami sifishane.
Hayi ubani uxuba nje kuba silapha e-SABC lihaye siyathanda into okubana nababukeli bethu bakwazi ukusiva kule ngxoxo ibaluleke ngako. Ngabani uxuba nje uboleke esilungwini?
Yeah. Ndithi lento kuthiwa inkolo i-dangerous kakhulu ngoba it includes spiritual matters alongside practical physical ones. Ngoko ke umuntu anga noma yi-doctor or yi-lawyer angayishiya yonke lento ayifunde esikoleni atshone khona enkolweni. But it's very important ukuthi siyazi ukuthi ukholo, there's a reason people have to go to school, particularly Bible training or theological education, so that bazoyazi ukuthi lento ethethwayo itsho ukuthini, because people can misinterpret what Jesus said. Lenkolo esiqeda ukuyibona apha ku-TV abafundi, they are saying to the nation ukuthi uYesu uthe masenze ngandlela le bayenza ngayo. But they are not the first one in 2,000 years to wrestle with the sayings of Christ. Kungakuhle if labantu laba bakuleli bandla do it in community with others.
Yeah.
There are 2,000 years of history that they are ignoring. They approach the Bible as if they are the first ones. And bona ba perfect abazolala omunye umuntu. Yiyo lento inkinga ke esifuna ukuthi i-problem esinayo nalapha eMzantsi Afrika ukuthi abantu bayahluka kuba nama-abuse amalungelo abantu.
Rev, kodwa ke xa utsho Rev into bangaba mhlawumbe oku akuhambiselani nentetho zikaYesu, kodwa kwa iBhayibhile leyo sentsho xa ujonga pha kuYohane 2 verse 15 uyatsho into okubana musani ukulithanda ihlabathi kwanezinto ezisehlabathini. Ukuba kukho olithandile ihlabathi, uthando lukaYise luzawusuka kuye. Ngoko ke nabo bayazitshola into okubana balandela umbhalo kaYesu.
That's why ndithi kuwe Kolosha ukuthi leyo verse ijulile ngoba lento le uYesu ayithethayo is not to say ningayi esikolweni. For example, makuba khona i-accident manje, abantu baleli bandla bazawuya esibhedlele okanye ngisoze baye esibhedlele makube khona i-accident endleleni. Kunegazi and all of the limbs broken. Who will take care of them esibhedlela? if bathi asiphume entweni zasezweni sikholele kuYesu, he will do all of these things. Nabafundi bakaYesu, uLuka was a doctor, and nabanye abantu abakhoza uYesu namhlanje bakhona
Yeah.
abantu who are both a doctor
Okay.
basebenzela uYehova.
Okay, and ndiyakufuna ukrweca wena Sam kuba kaloku uye waphulukana nathi kodwa ndiyabulela into yokubana ubuyile. Sam, xa sithi siyajonga yonke le nto iqhubekayo, ingaba mhlawumbe ezingqondweni zala malungu ingaba kwenzeka ntoni Ncekasana?
Sibonge Kholose, sixolise nge-disconnection. Kholose, into ebalulekile kumele siyinote, okokuqala siyi-African Hidden Voices, a research institution. Meaning, Tina specializes in matters of African indigenous spirituality, the universal concept of spirituality, and also all other studies that include royalty, both upward and downward in terms of ubukosi. And we specialize also in studying the very same religion. Now, what we are seeing namhlanje, we need to appreciate these complexities because okokuqala zihambisana ney'nkolelo zalaba bantu. Number two, lento sibonayo ihambisana nobudala babantu, badala laba bantu. And now siba-treat ingathi ziyingane. Remember, we have a constitution chapter number 15 lapho khona ukhuluma nge-religious freedom. Ukuthi every person has the right to religious freedom. Now we have another charter that was drafted by ECRF under the leadership of Peter Kotsi that tried to assist in the regulation of a religion, saying people should self-regulate so that the state cannot intervene. But siyabona kahle kahle ukuthi la inkinga enkulu, it's not matters of regulation, it's a matter of this complexity that deals with what we call religious fundamentalism.
Sam, ndiyabona uba ukhumsha kakhulu, ndiyacela nje into yoba ngaba ubane uxuba nesintu ukuze ke ababukeli bethu bakwazi into yokubana bakuve. Tata, ndiyafuna ke ngoku Rev into yokubana usikrobisele malunga namanyathelo enithe nabe kanti niyawathabatha njenge-alliance uqinisekisa into yokubana le nto isitshulwa nengcambu, kuba ndiyaqonda into yokubana phakathi kwemisebenzi eniyenzayo kukujonga into yokubana kwezenkolo kuqhuba njani.
Ngani kukho umbutho the constitution kukhona isection 9 ethi kuba kukhona ama-commission that focus kulento of rights, people's rights, kakhulukazi kuma-rights aku-culture, religion and language kwezenkolo. Sidibana nabo sibonisana ukuthi makukhona ama-abuse amalungelo abantu apha eMzantsi Afrika, lama-abuse anjengokudlwengulwa, abantu batshelwe iy'mali zabo, bathengisa izindlu, kuthiwa bathengisa indlu yabo, bazise imali yakhona esontweni, and all of that, uYehova uzawabasikelela. After a while they can see labo bantu ukuthi uYehova akabasikelelanga kodwa umfundisi uhamba ngemoto very expensive ngemali zabo. Iba buhlungu kubo labo bantu and ngeke baye emaphoyiseni bafike bathi umfundisi utshe imali yami, ngoba umfundisi naye lo muntu otshelwe imali, both of them bebeyenza ngokwaseBhayibhelini, bathi bakholwa eBhayibhelini. So lento sithathayo ke thina sithi makungabikho umuntu uzawuba munye ngosibiya lo sithetha ngayo ngoku, ozawuthi kubantu mna ndizawuthandaza uYehova undicelele okuthile, nina nifanele nimamele mna. There's no court of appeal kuloo nto leyo. Sithi makube khona ke singabaholi, other churches, other Christians who also read the same Bible,
Yeah.
sizosizana norhulumente ukuthi Are these things alleged by Usbiya correct? Are they the right reading of Leo Bible Leo, or they are a misrepresentation of Christ?
Then kuregulator ntoni? Kuregulator iBhayibhile okanye mhlawumbe kuregulator impilo yabantu in this case, because le Bhayibhile sithetha ngayo Rev iqulathe ezinto abazenzayo nabo bayakota. Umntana uze uyatsho into bangaba mhlawumbe beseyifumane isikolo eUCT ezawufunda izifundo ze-computer engineering, kodwa ngaphambi kokuba aqhubeke nezifundo zakhe uthi uye wabe kanti uhlelwa sisityhilelo sokuba aye kule nkonzo. So kakuhle siregulator ntoni apha Rev?
The regulator into yokuba iBhayibhile kufana namagqwetha. Amagqwetha, if you put two lawyers in the room, they will read the same text ngokuhlukana. NeBhayibhile injalo, abantu ababili bangayifunda le Bhayibhile and come to different meanings. Ngoku, if one of them says mna right when I'm wrong, there should be a way in which we can bring other leaders abakholwayo ukuthi sibonisane ukuthi le nto eyenzakalayo apha, what is the balance of probabilities ukuthi the truth lies
Okay.
in this area, particularly ngokuba singamabandla kukhona 2,000 years of history of reading the same texts. So Usbiya is not the first one to read it. Ngoku ke, it's very suspicious if
Yeah.
he is the only one who's out to kubantu.
Yeah. Rev uthetha
uYehova
apha
uthethe nami
2,000
ngale ndlela.
years of history. Sam ndiyafuna into yokubana xa sibuyele kuwe ubambe kakhulu la magama kaRev athi 2,000 years of history of iBhayibhile.
Now, indaba ye-2000 years, Kolosa, very tricky because isikhathi asisenaso. Now, must understand kahle kahle ukuthi uReverend ukhuluma ngani. uReverend ukhuluma ngenkolo ena 2000 years la emhlabeni, which uceda kuchaza manje yokuthi sonke lesikhathi in that period up until namhlanje abantu abashumayeza leli vangeli, especially le Christianity, bayahluka ngendlela abavangela ngayo, and yona the root cause of the problem, which is inkolo noma ukholo. Hence thina African Hidden Voices, we have conducted research ejulile ebonisa kahle kahle ukuthi ukholo ilona oline problem mayelana nalezi inkinga esihlangabezana nazo. Njengoba sibona abantwana sebeyeka izikole, sibona abantu abadala bathatha izinqumo zokuzi-isolate nemindeni yabo. Siyabona ukuthi kahle kahle ukholo ulona olubayenza babe strong ngendlela abakholwa ngayo leli Bhayibheli. Yingakho kuthiwa these are religious fundamentalists. Abantu bekuthi manje i-prefrontal cortex yabo ayisasebenzi manje. Into esebenzayo ukuthi yena ubambe lolu kholo lwalento akholela kuyona. Now the 2000 years history ifika lapho khona kune concept esibiza nge-syncretism, lapho khona inkolo zonke lezi ezikhona za-syncretize noma zakopisha konke kakukhona mandulo in ancient Africa ne-Mesopotamia esibiza nge-spirituality. Now, so understand ukuthi spirituality dates back beyond 2000 years. And masikhuluma ngale 2000 years namhlanje, siyabona mawuya e-Europe, lezi inkolo phecelezi inkonzo ze-Christianity sezivaliwe. Over 2,000 churches are now closed to show ukuthi inkolo ihambe yahamba yakhathala. But it's strange ukuthi la e-Africa isaqhubeka. It is because of abantu abamnyama basazama ukusyncretize into engasiyona eyabo. And now there's a study esikhuluma ngomqondo sabhalwa uMaxwell Maltz okhuluma ukuthi inkolo kahle kahle noma ukholo luyinkinga lufana ne-hypnotism. Now the belief of the mind is the hypnotism of the mind. Ingakho sibona abantu bengasaboni ngeliso eli-right. But now masofika kwezomoya zakwantu ufika manje kwisigaba esi-beyond ukholo noma inkolo. Lapho khona kuthiwa abakholelwa bayazi bayazi ezomoya zakwantu ngoba imimoya yabo iyazi konke abakufundisayo through izambulo. Now, how we can solve the issues? We need to start treating manje indaba ze-regulations ngendlela e-right. Lapho khona sithi masibabheke laba bantu ukuthi ingabe they are in the right state of mind because bathathe inqumo ngesimo sokuthi they lack spiritual knowledge. That is why namhlanje siyabona ukuthi we are still trying to use indlela zase-West ukusolva inkinga esibhekane nazo. Lapho khona kufanele sisebenzise ezethu indlela ukudingida le ndaba esifeyisane nazo. So kahle kahle ngokuyivala Kholosa ukuthi lento esibona namhlanje are the results of the psychological impact of religious colonization.
Rev, ndiyaqonda into yokubana umvile umhlekazi uSem ingakumbi xa icaphula indaba kuba inkolo yobuKristu ibonakala ngathi iyingxaki ingakumbi xa sibona kusenzeka izinto ezikumila kunje. Ungatsho Rev into bangaba mhlawumbe inkolo singathi iya isitshulwa nengcambu.
I-problem, Kholosa, akusiyinkolo ne-African religion injalo ukuthi kukhona abantu abahlukumelezayo asithathe labantu abayi-circumcision schools, for example. Kwabe kube khona into yokuthi umntana aye entabeni abuye aseshonile umntana. Ayitsho loo nto ukuthi leyo nkolo i-wrong. It only means kukhona some ways in which lama surgery ayenziwayo entabeni can be done in a way that preserves lives rather than destroy lives. And ama-abuse makaba khona ayitsho ukuthi the whole religion is wrong. Itsho ukuthi there are ways in which, that's why when you take 2,000 years of history, itsho ukuthi there are different ways of looking at these problems. And when we listen to each other's voices, sizawufikelela ukuthi we make better choices kulamalanga asiphila kuwo. Ngoku ke uSibiya lo besithetha ngayo, i-problem is not in the Bible. I-problem ukuthi he works alone, akamameli muntu. And that is how it is often the case ukuthi nakama-circumcision school, if kuba khona umuntu oyenze i-circumcision school, angamameli ucebiswa ngomunye umuntu athi yena uyazi lento le ayenzayo.
Yeah.
Makuba khona ama-abuses kuba nzima ukuthi sibasize ababantu.
And Rev uxolo ngokuqhawula
society.
Uxolo ngokuqhawula Rev ndiyacinga into yokubana kulamba we-African religion umhlekazi uSem ingathi yena ebethetha ngezomoya zakwantu hayi inkolo yakwantu. Kodwa ke xa siyiqwela siyiqongqotha ngendaba yexesha ndiyafuna nje into yokubana kuba kaloku i-CRL ithe yaphendula isisho into yokubana funeke kube khona ibhunga eliza kubeka iso kwinkonzo. Sam, could that be a solution ingakumbi xa sibona into yokubana izinto ezikumila kunje ezithe gqolo ukwenzeka? Uyawukhumbula into yokubana nakomnye unyaka sabona abantu bespreya ngwedum kwiphondo lase-Eastern Cape, kwakukhona abanye babezibiza ingelosi nabo besenza izinto ezigwenxa. Ingaba kumntu ontsundu yintoni ekumele into yokubana uyayenza ingakumbi xa sawuthi i-awakening okanye ukuvuka ngokomoya?
Okubalulekile ezomfundo Kholosa, especially ezomoya. Now uReverend ukhuluma ngendaba ye-African religion. Lento yasibonisa ukuthi kahle kahle even nabaphathi bevangeli they misunderstand the concept of African indigenous spirituality ne-ATR, which is African traditional religion. Ayikho into ebizwa nge-African traditional religion noma African religion la e-Afrika. Kunomehluko between isiko nezomoya zakwantu. Yingakho namhlanje siyalahleka by clothing manje i-practices zikamoya ngesimo se-religion noma esesiko. Kumele sikhona ukuhlukanisa. Yingakho i-Christianity yakhula in the 1900s. It is because of bathatha some of the spiritual practices to want to Africanize Christianity. Namhlanje akumelanga sisebenzise the same system to regulate abantu. into esidingayo ulwazi lukamoya lolu lalugayida iAfrika ukuze ibe great in ancient times.
Yeah.
Now we talk about the spiritual restoration la. Lapho khona ulwazi lukamoya can assist how best can we move on with regards to abantu imiqondo yabo isabotshwe yi-impact ze-colonization. Kolose umningi umsebenzi ekumele siyenze and kumele sihloniphe ukuthi abantu badala ukuze bathathe inqumo. Now regulating abantu means we need to go back and first study the frameworks ezisetshenziswayo ukuregulate abantu. So thina sithi African Hidden Voices Research Institution kumele sibuyele kulwazi lwethu lukamoya la eAfrika ukuze si-understand lezi nkinga esihlangabezana nazo. Indaba yokoluka Kolose has nothing to do kwezomoya, it has everything to do with usiko. Now si-understand ukuthi khona into esibiza nge-human evolution. Kukhona amasiko akumelanga namhlanje siwapractice. Yingakho eminye yalawo masiko are-irrelevant to today. But angeke sibonge because of asasebenzisa ulwazi lwethu lukamoya.
Okay.
Namhlanje sithi masibuyeleni back to ulwazi lukamoya ukuze
ngenxa yexesha nje Mhlekazi Sam kuyonyanzeleka into yokubana siliqhawule oludliwano ndlebe kodwa ke masibambe ngazibini kuwe Rev Moss ngokuba ube kunye nathi apha eSABC lihaye usityebisele ngolwazi sibambe ngazibini nakuwe Mhlekazi Sam ngexesha lakho enkosi kakhulu nibe nosuku oluhle right mbukeli weSABC lihaye besithetha naye uRev Moss Ntlha yena ke mbukeli kwakunye naye uSam wakwalanga kanti ke mbukeli ngoku masithi qhwi evenkileni.